U.S. airstrikes hit Iran again as Tehran struck Bahrain and Kuwait, putting the interim war deal under renewed pressure. Bahrain said drones targeted the kingdom, a sensitive target because it hosts the U.S. Navy's Fifth Fleet. AP's top headline said Tehran struck Bahrain and Kuwait after U.S. strikes, widening the Gulf escalation. A tanker in the Strait of Hormuz was also attacked, though a British maritime center said the crew was safe and no environmental damage was reported. AP says U.S. Central Command hit Iranian missile, drone, and coastal radar sites after an earlier ship attack. The strikes came despite an interim U.S.-Iran deal intended to create a path toward ending the conflict. The overnight U.S. strikes followed an Iranian drone attack Thursday on a ship trying to leave the Strait of Hormuz. Bahrain had just hosted Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Gulf ministers, who called for an end to attacks and an open strait. Iran's Revolutionary Guard said it targeted locations of the U.S. military in the region, without naming exact areas. Vice President J.D. Vance said Iran should pick up the phone over ceasefire disagreements, but warned that violence would be met with violence. A U.S. Navy-overseen maritime body expanded a route near Oman to allow ships to move both inbound and outbound. AP says the expanded route could become another flashpoint because Iran says ships must obey its orders in the strait. The Strait of Hormuz is a critical energy lane where a fifth of all oil and natural gas once passed. Iran has warned it could charge transit fees, while the U.S. and Gulf Arab states reject Iran's demands. The strait is widely considered an international waterway, even though it runs through Iranian and Omani territorial waters. The Joint Maritime Information Center warned that the threat to ships in the region remained substantial and also referenced mine risks. The market angle is straightforward. Drone and tanker attacks near Hormuz put shipping and energy prices back in focus. The strongest visuals are Gulf maps, oil tankers, missile footage, air defense systems, and Bahrain or Kuwait locator graphics. The script should keep each claim attributed because the account includes U.S., Iranian, Bahraini, and maritime sources. The bottom line, U.S. strikes and Iranian Gulf attacks have put the interim deal in danger again.